Now I'm going to show you just how to install the Nexa unit. So this is what you find inside the box. You have your plug with the power cable. You have the Nexa unit with the antenna that screws into the back of it. And you have your internet cable that goes into the back of your Nexa unit and into the back of your router. I'm now going to just plug it in and we'll connect it to the router. Okay, so we have it plugged in, and the first thing you're going to see on it is there's going to be lights on the front that's flashing. You're going to have the flashing red light on it, and that's basically because we don't have the internet hooked up to it yet. To hook the internet up, you plug it into the back of the unit, and then you plug it into a port in the back of your modem. So what you should be left with is a continuous green light and then a flashing blue light which will come on every maybe 10 to 15 seconds. So now you get your mobile phone. You just make sure that your mobile phone is connected to the Wi-Fi that we're using. You go into your app store. This is an Apple phone. If you have a Samsung, you go into your Play Store and you go into search and you type Farho, F-A-R-H-O, search, and it'll come up the Farho Control. So you download that app onto your phone. Once it's downloaded, you can open up the app. It'll tell you your terms and conditions. Just scroll down to the very bottom, accept, and press OK. Now we need to install the Nexa unit along with the phone. So what you do is you put down your phone, and at this stage then you get a little paper clip, and there's a small little button on the back of the controller, and you click it in like that, and then the phone then will come up your home screen for your heating and other equipment. So that now means that the Nexa unit is now connected to your phone. Next step is to connect the heaters. So what you do is you click on heating. Down the bottom here you press configuration and you want to add a zone. So you click on add zone. So we're going to call it the kitchen. Again, if it's sitting room, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, whatever you want, we're going to call this one the kitchen. And you press done. It's very important that you press done or enter whatever phone you have down the bottom right hand corner. So basically what we have to do now is we create a zone. It comes up here installed modules. We've known install modules. The module here is your heater. So to install the module then you have to go to your heater. So you come down to your heater. I just have the panel of it here. You press your menu button. You go down to configuration and press OK, and you go down, keep going down until you see install. When you see install, you press OK on install, and then on your phone you press add module. So now it's after coming up that I've one module installed. What you do then is you click back out of it until you come back to your home screen. Now this is what you do for all heating. So you do the very same thing for your bedrooms, your very same thing for your halls. So just to show you then how it actually works. You come out of it, you want to go into it and you want to turn on your heating in your kitchen. Now this is going to come up first because the heater has a different time than your phone. So you just hit accept. So now what happened there now is that the heaters, all their times on the heaters after changing. So what you do is you go into heating, you go into kitchen. So what it does is that it just checks the temperature that the heater is showing at the moment in the kitchen. So there it is, it comes up. So it's telling me that it's 22 degrees, or sorry, it's telling me that it's 20 degrees in the kitchen, and I have it set to 22 degrees. So just to turn on the heater so you can see what it is, 20 degrees, and it's set for 22. On the phone, if I want to modify that and bring it down, I can bring it down to 15, press modify. You heard the heater clicking. As you go to the heater, you'll see that it's now set at 15. So that's your kitchen heater up and running. To set a program on your kitchen heater, what you do is, it's all done through your phone. So you come out of it and you go into heating, and down the bottom here you see programs. You click on programs and you click on kitchen. So you want to activate, deactivate or edit the program. So now we want to edit the program. Click on edit. You can pick one of the days, multiple or all. Just for now we'll just pick them all. So it starts off here, so your time frame is number 1. So let's just for argument's sake, we'll just put one program on this, okay? So we just want it on all day long at, well, we'll do 2 programs on it. So you're starting at 0000 and you want to end it, you can bring the end time, say, to 9 o'clock in the morning. Your degrees you want is 5 degrees because you don't want to come on during the night. And then you do not press save. You press the plus button up here and it'll bring you on to your second time. So you're starting at 9 and now you want to finish it. Let's say you want the heat to run all day. Accept. So there's your green, it's on all day long, and we'll bring that heat up to 24. Done. And then you press the plus button again because you want to finish off your 24-hour program. And then we're left with 22, back around to 00, accept, and we'll bring the temperature back down to 10. Done. We have the full 24-hour program in. Now you do is press save. That's it. Your program is set. The heater's after clicking in there now because we're after setting the program on it. So if you go to the heater now, you'll see that it's flashing. I'm going to bring it up. That it's flashing at 24 degrees because that's the program we're after setting on it. We have the 24 degrees all day. And that's basically it, how you install a Nexho unit from the box to your phone. Thanks.